Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Binance Bitcoin. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of trade. Simply go ahead and select it. Then here you can find the option of buy. Simply tap on it. Now to buy the Bitcoin, you can simply see there is the Bitcoin option right here, and if you cannot see it, you can simply tap onto the search bar and type Bitcoin, just like this. Then simply tap onto the Bitcoin option right here, and now choose the USD amount that you want to buy the Bitcoin, just like this. After that, tap on to select payment method right here. Now choose one of these cards that you want to buy the Bitcoin, and after selecting it, simply tap on to confirm. Then add the card informations like this, and then simply tap on to confirm. After confirming it, you will be ready to buy the Binance Bitcoin. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Binance Bitcoin on your Binance app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.